Hi guys, Rick here from Svnty Offroad. I just wanted to do a quick vid on our new replacement cargo panels for the troop carriers. So first of all, these replacement cargo panels that are already installed here have been installed in a 24 facelift cruiser. Now these cargo panels will also work with pre-facelift as well as the 75 series. So they go all the way back. So what do you get with the standard replacement cargo panel? Well, pretty much what we do is we replace the masonite boards that are in here with a 2.5mm aluminium powder coated in a texture black. In the standard option, you can basically keep all 4 seat belts intact. You've got your jack crank mount. We've also got the rear washer window cover, and we can also keep the original toolbox in place here. So what can you option outside of that? So what we can do is basically we can do a complete delete of the rear seat belts. So you won't have any holes or anything like that where the seat belts are. So that's a complete removal. We can also remove the toolbox if you need it. Likewise, we can remove the water cap as well. Mount is gone as well, and we can also remove the vents if you've got utility panels as well. So these are a made-to-order product. So basically, as we go along and we get more and more demand for them, people requesting further mods, we'll start adding those to our website so that you can just select what you want. If you did want something a little bit more customized, everything removed or something added, we can talk to us about a custom option with it if it's possible to do. That just needs to happen via email. So yeah, so in a nutshell, that's pretty much them done. That's the standard option we're going to work on. We have got a few other things on the go at the moment, but we'll just keep that under wraps for now. So yeah, so if you want to get rid of those rubbish masonite boards that are in there, and I've seen plenty of guys with these pimped out fit outs, and you see the tops of the grey boards, and because they've had their windows open and water and moisture's coming, they're all falling over. It looks terrible. So before you get your fit out done, if you want to finish it up, get a Mickey Mouse setup going, and you're not really utilizing the internal walls for much, then this is definitely an option for you. We are looking at doing down the track a 3/4 or quarter panel that just goes along the top and leaves the cavities open. If that's something that you'd be interested in, hit us up, because that's something we could replicate pretty quickly. So that option will be available with people asking. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll wrap it up there. If you have any questions, just hit us up. But yeah, so that's pretty much our standard Troopy replacement panels there. And then yeah, we'll go from there and we'll start adding a few other products down the track. So yeah, thanks for that, and yeah, cheers.